My brother said we should definitely start going live on Rumble. We can set that up. Okay, we're live.
I think we were talking about it before. All the like, we were talking about something that would relate to it, but like the, I don't know, I feel like Rumble's like a pretty right-wing platform. This would fit in.
Yeah, well, it's good with finance. There's a lot of finance people in Rumble.
That's what I mean. It's like the alpha fucking Sigma male, right? Like, is it not?
Mm-hmm.
This would be perfect.
You want to pin the?
They're like, oh yeah. I don't know. I just feel like it'd fit in.
There would.
Because we are alpha male chads.
Oh, I'm rocking with the music.
Damn, I am. This is an ad. I'm just wearing an ad.
Oh. That's funny.
This is still pinned. Can you go to the... I'll do it.
If that's pinned, then that's fine, because that's...
Well, yeah, but I think it's just pinned on my screen. Oh, no, it's not. It's not just pinned on my screen.
I'm gonna take a different picture for the story.
Well, the P&Ls look good.
Look.
Does my neck look as long as it... So dumb. Alright. It's funny. But yeah, I shouldn't do that.
That probably sounds terrible.
Yeah, I forgot. Sorry. Oh, the U.S. initial jobless claims. Why don't they call it unemployment?
I don't know.
What's the difference?
Jobless.
It's got to be different. It's got to be different.
Because I think, because they have unemployment news too. I think unemployment news would be the people that like collect unemployment. Jobless is just people that don't have jobs right now. Like, so
Yeah,
it's
right.
going to be bigger than unemployment. Because not everyone that's unemployed collects unemployment.
Jobless claims reported weekly by the Department of Labor measure the number of people who filed for unemployment benefits.
Wow.
So then,
never mind.
There are two types of jobless claims: initial claims and continued claims.
Okay.
So then, what the fuck are
I don't know what's going on
what's unemployment
with down here, but I don't have service. I'm on SOS on my phone. What the fuck? I'm on the internet though.
Yeah, I was gonna say I have full service and Wi-Fi.
Yeah, I'm on SOS. I don't know what the fuck happened. Oh, Ethan just like messaged me. Take a look. The day trade grind. I love to see it. Hell yeah. It's fun. Yes, it is fun.
What the fuck does this mean? Well, first read that. What does that mean?
Great. That's a great meme. Hey, I get it.
No, you don't.
I don't get it.
There's nothing to get. Watch Morning Live. Oil inventories today. People read that.
I mean, we have S&P news too. Direct S&P news. We have services and manufacturing. So it's the manufacturing and service companies that are in S&P are going to be reporting. Yeah, this is a news-filled day. We're gonna get some good movements. Probably size down to 2 contracts instead of 3. That would probably be the way to go.
Dude, I don't give a fuck.
You're getting that combine in, bro. You're making it. So how I have this set up, so it's gonna be up here, right?
Yeah.
The volume analysis is going to be up here, while I have what's it called, Thinkorswim up, and then when I switch the Thinkorswim down, I can get it up there too. So there you go.
Okay.
So we will be able to still see volume analysis.
Where's the volume?
Well, right now there isn't any. It will pop up right here, and then we can see the point
why isn't it
control.
on the right? That's weird. Like connected to the price.
Yeah, I don't know. Trading View does that.
But we pretty much have the same thing though, like on our charts, right?
Yeah, but we don't have point of control, or value area low, or value area high.
Okay.
We have point of control value low and high.
Yeah.
And then right here, this is Nadiria Watson 15-minute, so we can see if there's a big sell up.
Okay. Justin was saying we should open. There's a go to Thinkorswim.
100.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Go to Thinkorswim.
Thinkorswim.
Go to Market Watch. No. Go to Analyze. What the fuck? What is it?
What does he want?
Economic data? It's like it shows whenever there's like really big trades.
Oh, that's, I think right here. I don't have that set up. I can probably, he'll be in here. I'll be able to message him.
Hold up, click monitor. I don't see any FX reports. Okay, this isn't it. Hit Market Watch again. Alerts, visualize. Hit visualize.
You guys got an OnlyFans on that link tree? Yeah.
Yeah, check it out. You have to click it to find out my exclusive content.
Oh, this is a cool.
This isn't it.
This is actually a cool screen though.
Yeah, but it's useless.
It just shows like the market, the shares, the finances, communication services, infotech, all that.
It just looks cool.
Yeah.
But yeah, is this the one that we could zoom in on? What was that? Was that the crypto thing?
That was on.
You remember that?
You can do
where
that.
It's like infinite zoom.
Yeah, you can do that with anything, and that's on Trading
cool.
View.
So then, where is it? Tools.
I'll message Justin. I'll get that set up. It's just a little. I know where it is actually. You go right here. Oh wait, here, we can switch it back to this because you can pull it up right here. It's gonna be.
Oh yeah, it's literally that
right
at the
here.
bottom.
Yeah.
Or
you can get it.
yeah,
right
it's at the
here.
bottom. No, I think it is the bottom thing. No, it's not. I don't know. Yeah, this is where it was though. You're right. I don't. Trade Flash. That's what it is.
There it is. Okay.
Oh, but this isn't
I can
configured.
Give it a quick chart.
Oh yeah, and then put in the NQ for it.
Watch this.
You can pop it out.
Or what is it? /NQ.
Yeah.
/NQ.
And then you can pop it out and even just have it on the other monitor. You know what I mean? If you want this full screen.
Yeah.
I think you
I don't want to fuck with anything right now.
it's one of these buttons. Hit the settings. Okay, it's not that. Click the other one. No, it was like really easy to pop out. And it doesn't get rid of it here. It just has a different window. It was like fairly simple. What about on the... I don't know how he did it. I have no idea how he popped it out.
I don't know. We can just have it right there.
It looks like shit though.
It's just like fold it in, fold it out. I have to play Helldivers. Hey, Helldivers. I honestly want to get that game. I'll probably get it tonight. Looks fun.
No, it doesn't. Looks like crap.
Okay, so we're gonna be watching crude oil because crude oil inventories are coming out. Do we see what it's expected to be? Okay, so here we go. So the expected, it's happening again, Riley. The expected is we're supposed to go down a lot from 12 million to 375 million or 3.75 million. Oh Jesus, it's gonna be
accurate.
It might be accurate this time. Either way, we're looking at it going down. Well, we're looking at it going up because we're supposedly not supposed to be buying oil right now because we have a lot of oil.
Yeah.
Same with gasoline and distillate. So crude, gasoline, and distillate is supposed to be down. So we'll see if it actually is down.
Open it again. Sorry, I really want to detach this. I want to have this like. I wish I could have this on my monitor. Click the 3 lines. Okay, it's not there. Okay, well, this was not correct. It was like, no, it was like a button that said, go through the things again, the other 2 buttons. The other 2 buttons.
That's just a linking.
How the fuck? Okay, whatever. Forget about it for now. Yeah, I'll just we'll have to ask Justin.
We'll get it. Yeah, we'll get it.
But I think that would be cool to have up.
Mm-hmm.
Like the one screenshot he was showing me, there was a $60 million. Some dude just dumped ES shares.
Yeah.
It's
you
cool.
can see some funny stuff on there.
Yeah.
We'll just check it every once in a while.
It's good to know too. Like while we're trading, it's
because you can
a good resource.
Because you can see all the institutions.
Yeah.
Because if institutions are buying or selling into something, I'll start streaming.
Well, that's the thing. That's what me and Justin were actually talking for a while yesterday. He was kind of teaching me about options.
I went to sleep early. Oh, you're teaching about options?
Yeah, somewhat. Like
you're learning the Greek.
I was just asking questions and he was answering them, but like it wasn't like a full-fledged. Well, I don't know. Yeah, he was teaching me about options. I actually do know a lot more after talking with him, but. He was saying too with that trade flash thing, you don't actually know if they're shorting or buying. You just know that they're selling. They could have just got out of a position.
You just know. Okay.
So it's like it's really for you to analyze.
Okay.
But it's cool though. I think it's still really good information to know.
Oh yeah, I mean any type of sell off or any type of movement in the chart, any information. Is good to know. Yeah, any information. But once again, me and Riley are trading on 3 50K combines with Top Step. So our trading platform will be looking a little different, but it's because we are going to be going crazy. We're getting funded.
And if we don't get funded, then we will next month. They are Top Step is running a limited time deal, $4.50 for a 50K combine, up to 5 accounts. Now until the end of the month only.
Not for everyone.
Yeah, well, I mean, if they, there's certain ways that they could get coupon codes through the Google Chrome browser that apparently know the code.
If you have honey.
Whoa. Don't give it out.
All right, what time is it?
Apparently I heard that if you use honey, it's pretty good at picking up coupon codes.
How does the
on Top Step.
How does the streams look? All right, yeah, we're good.
Good. Looks good. I don't think I've ever been on Rumble. Dave Portnoy streams here.
A lot of people stream there.
Yeah, not a lot of people watch it. Probably better for us though.
It would be good. Yeah, look, there's literally a crypto stream down there.
Yeah. I mean, it'd be easier to grow. It's just the ceiling is lower.
Mm-hmm.
Well, might as well. I'm gonna take it now.
Yeah.
Why not? Why not? Why not? It's really not gonna let me see the password. Oh, that's awesome.
Switzerland.
Sri Lanka.
And if we can't handle Kick and Rumble, I'm fine with dropping Kick and just doing Rumble, honestly.
You get to see how it performs. Am I slow? Is it at the top? Are you serious? Yeah, I hate when they do that. I never see it.
You ready to have a good first combine day?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
What is optional fields? The one.
This was referred. Who referred you?
Huh.
I don't really understand. I don't see why I'd have to put the address in. Yeah, it's not happening. All right. And now you can follow us on Rumble at Trade Talk Live.
Yep, Trade Talk Live on Rumble. We'll get that set up after the stream. We don't have to learn how to use Rumble.
What is sweet great grandmother adorable struggles to say man? Adorable. Whatever. Mike Tyson streams on here.
5 minutes until market open.
This ain't Mike Tyson.
Let's see. I want to really see what the big five do, especially after earnings. Curious if there's any earnings today. I don't think there's any notable earnings today. Well, there's always earnings usually, but anything notable, who knows?
Not me.
You can probably figure that out.
Yeah.
Search up earnings today.
I just wanted to
See what companies are doing earnings. I mean, we already had the ones that really matter. We had Walmart, Home Depot, fucking Nvidia. What company's doing earnings today? Yeah. What company's doing earnings?
I realized that was probably stupid. Into it.
Oh, it's
Booking.
TurboTax.
Booking. Bro, me and Justin were looking at Booking. You know, they have like 5 websites that are just like Booking.com under different names. They pretty much just, they have rentalcars.com. They have some Eastern Asia booking website where you can book hotels in Eastern Asia. They have like, dude, they're fucking genius.
So they're getting their piece of the pie.
And they have so much money. Look at it.
Their stock price is nuts.
Yeah. Like,
Is their float good or is that just...
I don't know. I'm sure it floats. What does that mean? What is float?
Float is like how many shares are like out.
35 million.
Okay. Because it's like, let's just say, you know, you see like Berkshire Hathaway at like 600,000 share price.
Yeah.
They don't have that many shares out, so
right.
their float's lower. That's why their share price is so high.
What's up? Good morning, Nate. But I mean,
What up?
their market cap's pretty big. Like it's a big company. Like
We're about to see. We're gonna be seeing some crude oil inventories at 10:30, so that's gonna be fun. So last time we saw crude inventories, it's actually at 11. Last time we've seen crude inventories, the crude oil market kind of cranked downwards very quickly. So we might see that again, or actually we might see it crank upwards now because supposedly we're supposed to have a lot less crude oil, but
dude, me and Justin were looking at this too. IonQ, fucking
IonQ
did pretty well. Dude,
IonQ is on my list.
The IonQ CEO was working on AI 40 years ago at Stanford when he was 16.
Wild.
And dude, his first like venture was creating. He was part of a company. He was like the founder of a company that would make video games. Like I said, like super long ago. Take a guess at some of the video games he made.
Oh Jesus.
Dungeons and Dragons. He made like fucking, dude. It was like wild ass. The dude's a genius.
Yeah.
The dude's a fucking genius.
You know where IonQ is based, right?
Maryland. Yeah.
College Park, Maryland. Yeah.
Dude, I'm
long IonQ for the rest of my life. I'm never pulling out of IonQ.
Yeah,
I'm long IonQ.
I agree with you. I think.
Cause you got to think about it. They're leading in quantum computers. What's the next step from regular computers? Quantum computers. There's gonna be quantum computing chips in everything in the next 10 years, and IonQ is going to be the company to be making them. They're gonna be the next fucking Intel.
Yeah, I like that.
I'm long IonQ for the rest of my life, but that's just me. What's up? Verify.
Oh, good morning, Justin.
Good morning, Verify.
Yo,
Oh, actually, yeah,
how do
you
we
could
pop
help
out the
us.
trade flash?
We have the trade flash up. Hold up. Market opens about to happen, but we have the trade flash up on here, right here. We want to know how to like pop it out so it's like a whole separate window. He'll be able to tell. It's our
Yeah.
it's our
He's where I got the idea. He was like, "You guys should have this open."
it's our Thinkorswim rep. our Thinkorswim rep can help us. It's also, I don't know if it's just not, I don't know if it's supposed to be displaying something right now, but
What?
like the trade flash.
No, it was blank last night.
Oh,
I think it's only like really big orders,
and
plus it's pre-market.
yeah, it is pre-market.
Market opens and you just see it flooded.
I bet you that might happen. We can keep it up just to see that. We can see what sentiment we're looking at today. This is gonna be a very movable day, honestly.
Pre-market is extremely volatile.
Yeah. Because we're sort of getting back into the swing of things. Last week, not a lot of trading days, not a lot of volume. Now, a lot of news, earnings have passed, so now everyone's. Actually, I'm curious to see what the Fear of Greed index looks like. Search up. I got my AirPods there, so I can't hear you. But yeah, the trade flash is good. Oh, okay, so you can't hear us.
Yeah, just type
How
into him.
to pop out trade flash to make it its
He'll understand pop out.
own window. You gotta make sure. How to pop out trade flash to make it its own window. There you
What did you want me to look up?
go.
Oh, Greed and Greer. Holy
Yeah,
shit.
Fear and Greed. Do the futures market exclusive Fear and Greed. Or actually, you could do the full market one. Okay, well, market open. We are cranking up on the Nasdaq.
Who's
pretty
that?
fast.
That's insane.
What?
I almost went to 18,000.
Yeah, that candle's crazy. Let's switch to that real quick.
This is just.
We might run the 900s.
Yeah.
We might run the
Is there a
900s
future
today,
one?
boys.
I can't seem to find it.
I guess not. I thought there was. Just look at the Fear and Greed index. I'm curious to see what it is now after earnings and everything.
Yeah, I don't really see it. 74. We are riding the line between greed and extreme greed.
Okay, so we are going down. Look at that. Look at that wick. That wick is crazy.
Definitely gonna be watching for at least a 10, 15, 20
I mean,
minutes.
so far the sentiment I'm getting is we might run the 900s today.
Yeah.
So we just gotta be ready for that. I mean, these sweeps, if you get in now, you're getting stopped out immediately. Unless you really hit the trade perfect.
Yeah, and especially with how Top Step X does the like take profits and stuff, I'm kind of nervous to trade.
Yeah,
like
don't force anything. Don't jump in. Should be a detach gadget button in the top
right of it.
right.
That's what I thought it was, but I couldn't find it.
Oh, imagine if you got in on the top of that wick.
Imagine if you just became a millionaire. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I like watched him do it there, but
Somewhere.
it's like unlink now. Why would it be?
No, unlink would be
Yeah.
the linking. Yeah, it's fine. We'll figure it out. Maybe I have to.
Oh. Wait. Do it more. Click that one. Yeah, what is that?
That's that.
Yeah. No, whatever.
Oh my
That's
God.
why I kept having you go back to it, because I'm like, I know I watched him do it from right there.
These candles are sweepy.
Yeah, this is insane.
We're about to do the opposite of what I just said. Instead of running the 900s, we're gonna run the 800 downwards. I'm just gonna, don't forget about what I said earlier. Forget about what I said earlier.
I'm gonna go like this. And then
I mean, we'll see. Market is open. Open. We're about to have a good trading day. I'm looking for any excuse to put the money glasses on. Other than that, how's everyone's morning going? How's everyone looking this morning though? Nice Thursday.
So I thought someone said nice Thursday. How do I get rid of this?
I like get rid of all that at the top. To make
This whole chart.
fun.
I want this one chart, and then I'm gonna have another one.
And you just click one.
But even that, it came back. Oh, I have to save it. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense.
Trading View. Trading View has its quirks. I like it though.
Trading View is really nice. I like it's so clean.
Let's switch over to the volume analysis. I want to watch this.
What? Hold up.
I forgot to update my subscription, so you can have it on your computer, but that's coming soon. So you will be able to have it on your computer. There we go. Bro, this music, man. This is some good music.
Yes, it is.
Some good streaming music.
See, this is what I. Oh, that is annoying. Whatever.
Oh wait, look, I have the Nvidia chart up here too. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That's funny. Because earnings after hours. That is funny. Okay, we're about to hit point of control right here. Look at this. Stab short maybe.
So I'm not really paying attention. I'm trying to set this up.
Got you. Oh, that would have paid off. That short stab. That short stab would have paid.
I'd like to have this how I used to have it, but this is like.
I'm feeling a short stab. I want to see some pushback up on this candle though for me to get in a short stab.
Yeah, this is it.
So I would like to see a breakout of this big volume area. Met Glizzy, we locked. Hey,
Good morning.
you locked in? You got to stay locked in. Early morning market. The markets are moving crazy right now. I'm looking at a possible stab short right here, so we might see something. I want to see what this candle does though, so I'm gonna move this sell out of the way.
Good thing I realized I was on my practice. That would
You're
have
on
been
your-
frustrating.
That would have been. You hit the meanest trade, but you're on practice.
Yeah, that would have been really annoying.
Fucking walks out of here. You're
Turn
just
this
like, oh fuck that. Oh yeah, no, I could have kept my where that is. 100 out here sitting on a piece of pipe watching you.
Oh,
Yeah, pause. Hold up. Pause. Oh, hold up.
how big's the pipe? Okay.
There's not even a pause to that. There's just all right.
Okay.
Okay, we're at point of control right here.
Oh, yeah, yeah, that is really. At least it's up there.
I want to see what this next candle does. Oh yeah, no,
Oh,
that's
got me.
It's a little
So
wish
what are you
bar
looking to
right
play?
there.
You're looking to try to get a
A
short,
short off point of control, yeah.
Okay.
I'm filled. Let's do it. Let's do it. Only one contract.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah, oh, Jesus, sweepy. Still in. 60 up. I would like to see some push down. Is everyone locked in? I got filled. That was a $40 loss. I'm done with the day today. Yeah, there's not that much. It's too sweepy right now. I'm gonna have to wait a little bit.
Yeah, I want it to slow down.
Chat's going dumb right now.
We start around 9:15 to 9:30.
Yeah, 9:15, 9:30. And then we go until about 11.
Well, every Tuesday and Thursday there'll be market open streams every week. Monday and Friday they're rotating.
Yeah.
So
Monday and Friday it's kind of just like an audible. We just call it by ear.
Yeah.
What we do, but Tuesday and Thursday are guaranteed market open streams. Oh wait, I can update my
Good
P&L.
morning, Aiden. Yeah, I think that's what most.
Well,
of our
actually, I
viewers
have
do.
P&L carryover. I have P&L carryover from last night, so I'm at 207.60.
Yeah, I'm at nothing. Yeah, it is weird not being able to see the point of control on my chart. I guess at least it's up there.
What is go click on the stream real quick? I might have to move over my P&L counter. Oh yeah, we're pushing.
Yeah,
up.
you do.
Yeah.
Just take the 60 cents out.
Yeah, true.
All in on red.
I'm not all in. I actually was seeing if we were gonna sweep this volume, and it did the complete opposite. And now we're back to the run in the 90s sentiment.
Yeah.
Now we're back to that sentiment, so we'll see what happens. Got to get back to work. Make that bread, you too. Yeah, we got you.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good one.
Have a good one.
Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for the galaxies.
Thank you for the galaxies. Thank you for the galaxies.
Smell the roses. Ooh. So what, we get PMI in
PMI in 4 minutes. Yeah, we should probably wait for that actually. So we got PMI news in 4 minutes. Manufacturing,
slow down a bit. I don't
manufacturing and servicing PMI in 4 minutes. Yeah, there's not really.
These candles are too big for me.
Yeah, way too big.
I don't like this.
This is you play one candle with one contract type of open, morning open.
And I don't really feel comfortable enough on Hop Step X to do that.
Yeah.
Like I said, the way that they do the stop loss and stuff, it's cool, but it
You have to be quick with it.
yeah, I like having it there the minute I put a contract.
Yeah, you have
in.
to be quick with it on
I
Top
don't
Step
like having to
X.
set it, and then maybe I set it too far up, and it just
This was
instantly
a healthy pullback though, but once again, PMI in 3 minutes. So we will see what PMI says, and then we'll think about any type of trade sentiment. We are still in the open range, but I can see a push out to the upside. But we do not know. So apparently the PMI is supposed to be pretty even. So it might just introduce a bunch of sweeps into the market for like 5 minutes.
We also get home sales at 10.
Home sales
which
at
are supposed
10.
to be up.
And home sales really drive the market.
Yeah. And then 11 is crude inventories.
That's gonna be
Today's
fun.
actually pretty news filled, to be honest.
Very news filled. Even if you don't want to play news, you're gonna be playing some type of news in the trade that you're doing. So
Yeah.
You kind of just have to keep them stops, because with news you can get swept. So we will see. How do you guys like the music change? We got some upbeat music now.
Yeah.
Instead of some lo-fi. We're sticking with the upbeat music. I like the upbeat music a lot better.
Yeah, the lo-fi puts me to sleep.
So we're above point of control. So we'll see that.
That chart is so like, I don't know how you have it zoomed. It looks like it's barely moving.
Yeah, I have it kind of.
Yeah.
I can go like this. Make it a little more opened. Look at all this look at this volume spike that we're in though. So definitely watch movement out of this volume spike.
Yeah, that is like really hard to see.
Yeah, I have the opacity of it down.
Yeah. We're at the top of it though.
Yeah.
If it can break through, it probably will go through the 900s.
I mean, this news is happening in 48 seconds. So it's gonna push it one direction out, in or out. I think this is gonna be the direction out of the volume, and then we can see if we can do a play on that.
Well, if the forecast is
honestly
correct,
this might be a button click trade. This might be a button click trade. Clicking the buttons instead of getting filled on a what's it called? A target.
T-minus 30 seconds, 24 seconds until the PMI comes out.
24 seconds. Yeah. I am curious to see what this PMI is going to do.
I forgot to pop this chat out.
All right, well, you have 1 second. All right, PMI is coming out right now. Oh, yep, we're pushing to the upside. We are pushing to the upside. Oh, I just didn't get filled. Oh, I was about to get filled right here. Fuck, I almost did. Yeah, see, it's a button. It's a button click type fill. We'll see what this next candle does.
Holy shit.
Yep. So we got pushed out of the volume that we were looking at.
Yeah, it definitely is running the 900s.
Yeah, we're at 926.
It's looking like a good day. Well, that oil news could very well do the opposite.
Well, hopefully it goes up, because we have a lot of oil, so we don't need any more oil. So if it goes down, that means we're getting more oil. We don't need more oil. Pull back on this candle would be healthy, but I don't know if that's coming. I really don't know if that's coming. This might just be a burn up through the 900s. I was so close to getting filled.
We're actually pretty high.
Hey, my BMW Roundel points came in.
Well, let's go.
That's 800. That's 800. That's 800. So close to getting filled, Paul. Yeah, that was a major pause. That was a rare pausing moment right there. All right. Here's the pullback. I'm very curious to see existing home sales.
Yeah, do we have anything coming out in the next? I might get in.
Get in long?
Yeah.
Might be a good idea.
Try to play it up to like, honestly, pretty far.
I'm only doing one contract. I'm just gonna stab here. Let's see. Okay, I'm up 100.
So limit buy is what I would click.
Yeah, to place an order. All right, I'm gonna break even on this contract. Where should I target? Because if we're, at the top, there's not much of a target. Maybe the standard deviation is 793.
Cool. Okay, I did not get in. Damn it.
Oh, I'm in.
Yeah, I did not get in. I'm not used to this.
I closed the position. Fuck it. All right, I'm up
was
four.
that?
I'm up 444 on the day. Hey, 444 on the day.
Is that your angel number?
Yeah. I'm gonna get that tattooed on me right now. 444. A lot of David Bowie. Yo, Starman. Hey.
Starman. I'm more of a Darman.
Yeah,
guy.
444 is W's. I could have probably stayed in. This might just burn up, but I'm running with my 400. I'm running with my 400.
Yeah.
Watch a pullback.
Yeah.
And also, once again, we do have news coming out in like 10 minutes. I will say, when home sales are up, the markets usually also are up, so...
Yeah. This is most likely not going to get touched.
You just gotta watch a pullback. Because this is perfect time for a pullback. You could target right here, actually. This is a value area high right here. 936 is value area high.
Oh, yeah, I probably should be.
And it did just tap it. It tapped it immediately and then got absorbed. So maybe target that.
Yep. In.
All right. There you
I
go.
am in.
Do a take. You could probably do a take profit.
Throw it up there.
960 maybe.
Let's
See it. Let's see it. Okay, Riley's in.
We'll put this at 955.
Yeah,
And
955.
see what it does.
All right, let's get you on the books. Let's get you on the books. Oh, that's
yeah,
good.
we could definitely touch 955 here.
That's good. That's good.
Hey, let's go.
Hey, 317.20 on the day for Riley. That was a nice stab long right there. We could be holding these too, but it is very sweepy. It is very sweepy.
If I would have had in two, I would.
After 10 o'clock, I'd be more comfortable getting two in and holding one.
It's a little too much right now. Yeah, 317. Yeah, that was a good point out over there on the value area high, because I don't have it on this graph.
Damn. All right, you're on the books. You're on the books on the combines. First time on the books on the combines right there. 317.
Yeah, that was
in one trade. There you go. And sadly, I can't switch to his POV, but you will see it on the clip. Clip it, chat. Clip it.
Clip that chat.
Yeah.
Clip that chat.
Just some little stabs. Nothing too crazy. Just some. We're just getting some quick. We're just getting some quick entries. And now we wait and watch, because home sales are coming out in 9 minutes.
Ain't that right? We
passing combines all 20. Yeah, for real. That's what I'm saying right there.
Ain't that right?
That is what I'm saying. I am very curious to see the home sales news. We have a Fed speaker. I don't know what Jefferson is speaking about, but you could probably search up what he's supposed to be talking about. It could be some hard hitting stuff, or it could just be some rando talking about like money.
Well, I mean, it's definitely what it is.
Yeah, it's definitely money.
You know what? Why don't I just do this? You saw it on here, right?
Yeah, it's on there. It's at 10. It's at 10, the same time as home sales. Oh, look at this. You got out at the perfect time.
Oh my god.
Look at that pullback. Now we're back
I don't even hate playing it right here.
Yeah, we're back in value area. That was a nice stab long.
Yeah, that worked out really well.
Because I mean, in between like 9:30 and 10 o'clock, you don't want to sit in a trade for that exact reason.
Yeah.
You would have gotten gotten swept in one candle.
Well,
you just want to be in and out.
Yeah, especially like how it's just going today. It's not really.
Yeah, like
that's what's making me not want to trade. I mean, I'm happy with what I did, but it's like you said, it's really sweepy. These candles are huge.
Well, now you're at the point where if you don't place another trade today, you're walking away with $300. If you do place another trade today, it's going to be a good one, because now you know like what to look out for on today.
Yeah, I don't have to trade anymore.
This is a nice pullback
If I enter, it will be for a reason.
Yeah. We're at standard deviation 1. I can, now that I'm not in an active trade, I can switch to this so you can actually see some good stuff. Standard deviation 1.
Yeah, I have no clue what this dude's going to talk about.
We're about to, okay, so actually, so if you look right here, we might bounce off of this, dense volume range right here. So bounce maybe at like 900 even. See if it does that. We're either going to bounce into that or we're going to get locked back into this volume range. So what I mean by volume range is with this histogram right here, these are where everyone's orders are. And you can see right here, there's a lot of volume. So a lot of market players right here, a lot of orders, a lot of buy orders, a lot of sell orders right here. So in the case of that happening, the market tends to move towards large volume zones, but it could bounce off of it because there could be a lot of buys right here, a lot of sells right here. You kind of just have to base it on how the market's moving. And I mean, so far we've been moving up. So we could possibly see a bounce here. Or if it falls back down into this volume range, we could see it get stuck, consolidate a little here, and then just wait for another movement out of it. Me and Riley, we're mostly playing moves out of the volume range. That's why we bought our longs there to, because we saw it moving out of this volume range. We're pretty much playing volume sweeps.
Yeah.
And anywhere above here, there's untapped volume. So usually it'll just kind of cut through it. And that's the same thing. If it moves to the downwards, there's not a lot of volume down there. So it can cut through all that too.
The less volume, the less orders.
The less volume, the less resistance to go through it. But at the same time, the market tends to move towards the orders.
Yeah.
So you can kind of think of it as a magnet. So let's see what it does here. We're sort of falling back into it, but we're still not at the point where it will just get sucked in. We actually perfectly bounced off point of control.
Yeah.
We like perfectly bounced off of it, like a tick bounce. That if you got filled on that, that's a sniper entry.
The P&Ls are gone, by the way.
Oh, they're not on this screen.
Oh,
I didn't put on. They're only on the main screen.
Oh, that's cool. I see. Nice. Happy about that.
First poo of the day on the clock. Hey, there you go. Always get paid for that.
Boss makes $1, I make a dime.
And then, in our sense, the United States makes $1 trillion. We make $200. But that's why we trade on company time. I don't fucking know.
Boss makes $1, we make a penny.
Yeah. But hey, we're getting
We
ours.
make a fraction of a cent.
We're getting ours, though.
Oh, yeah.
We're getting ours. 100%.
Yeah, that was solid. I mean, we are 24 minutes into the open session.
Yeah, 24 minutes into the open session. Right. You're at 317. I'm at 444. 444.
444.
Oh, yeah, I'm at the 444. That's funny how it lined up perfectly like that. All right, we got 4 minutes until home sales, so let's see this. Yeah, this is a fast money market right now. W trade Riley, 24 minutes. We at 750 total. Yeah, for real. It's the Trade Talk Live holding company. We just made $750.
Our investors are happy. We live another day.
We live another day. So yeah, no trading until at least after this news once again, and also Jefferson.
4
speaking.
minutes.
Still don't really know what he's going to be talking about, but
4 minutes we get home sales and a Fed talk. We might see a lot of volatility.
I wonder how long he's talking for, because that's also an aspect in the market.
While.
It is a while.
Yeah, he has something. His actual talk, I think, is scheduled from 10 to 10:30, but then they said he's going to go into a Q&A.
Chair Board of Government.
So he's
well, that's what they do.
Internal economics.
Okay, yeah. So like they talk about something, and then they have people asking questions. It's like what?
So it's
that's
like 30 minutes then.
Yeah, that's like what Powell does. But Powell talks about the hard hitting stuff. So he's talking about economics. So this could move.
Yeah.
So. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. He doesn't hold the same weight as Mr. Powell, but
you never know.
Yeah. I mean, so
Depends what he says,
so
really.
far the news has been looking All right.
If he starts coughing, it's a problem.
Yeah, that's always the thing. When the speakers start coughing, bro, we lose $1 trillion.
You should be worried, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we got 2 minutes until home sale, so let's see that. Yeah, we're kind of consolidating right above this volume range, though. Like I was saying, so we didn't completely bounce off of it. We're kind of just consolidating. This seems like, oh yeah, see ya, Nate. He said I don't fuck with no Fed talk.
Yeah, I saw that.
I do. That's where the money gets made. Oh, Jesus. But yeah, I guess, you know, a lot of the traders have the same aspect that we're having. We're just waiting for the news. Everyone's kind of just hanging out real quick. We got 1 minute exactly for the home sales, and then also Fed talk.
Push through this 21-day EMA.
Yeah, it's kind of just hanging out around there. So one of the big things about like the 21-day EMA is you're not necessarily watching for a bounce. You kind of just like, it's gonna tend to kind of go towards it again because it's like a
average.
Yeah, it's the average.
Makes sense.
Yeah, it's not really much.
I see what you're.
It's not necessarily, you don't really base trades off of it, but it is good to just have the 21-day. In my opinion, the 21 day is my favorite. Some people have the 200-day. Yeah, but that's more for longer term. 200-day is usually a good one too. I used to run the 200-day. Okay, we got 10 seconds until existing home sales. We could have both
if we wanted to.
Could have both. Okay, we got home sales right now. Let's see what happens. Okay, there we go. Push up.
What was it? It hasn't updated. We're 10 seconds behind.
Yeah, we are 10 seconds behind. I ain't paying no
$100.
Actually,
it's 4 million. It beat the forecast.
I don't think we're behind on this.
The forecast was 3.97. The actual sales beat it, but the sales change did not.
Oh, okay.
Did not beat the forecast, but it was still better than the previous. The previous was -1%. The current is 3.1%. The forecast was almost 5 at 4.9. So it's 1.8 lower than the forecast, but it's still a lot better than the previous.
Ooh, can you change the title of the stream?
Yeah, what is it?
Change it to Fed speak as well, or Fed speaking as well. Okay. That's a big one. People find them.
I'm gonna put and Fed talk.
And Fed talk. Look at this. Look how crazy he's talking right now, and look at the market. It's going nuts.
I'll change this as well. Well, this never actually even. This has been the same title since we started streaming on Kick.
And of course, some chairs and some other members of the board.
You could switch the stream to it if you wanted to.
Nah, they just gotta listen.
This is not the guy that was on the thumbnail.
He's not there yet. Oh my god, I remember the one Fed meeting with Jerome Powell. He was late.
Yeah.
And then there was that other there was that other Fed meeting that we were playing that one time, and the protesters stormed the Fed.
That was crazy.
That one? The protesters stormed the Fed.
Crazy.
The markets went nuts because of that. The markets went absolutely nuts because of that.
Yeah, that shit was insane. I have no idea how to change the title on Kick while we're streaming.
Yeah.
I'm just not going to do it. I'm just going to give up on that.
Uh-oh, he said monetary policy. Uh-oh.
It's over.
It's over. It's so over. Said monetary policy.
All right, time to see what happens.
It should be a close vote.
We could.
As well. I mean, we're listening to him. This stream, this is ridiculous. This is the Fed.
No, it's because, yeah.
I was gonna say, how
I did it for the stream.
Bad?
Leadership that has overseen and arguably brought perhaps the softest landing in modern monetary history.
Oh, he said it again. He said it again.
But it's a wonderful time to have Philip here at the Peterson Institute. Just to recap, Philip Jefferson took office as the vice chair of the Board of Governors.
Bro, they're giving him a fucking intro.
Yeah.
Giving him an intro.
He has a 4-year term, renewable, of course.
This guy just needs to shave it.
Board of Governors since taking office on May 23rd, 2022.
Just get rid of it.
Yeah, for real. Just stop trying.
Yeah.
You're done. You're cooked.
It's all the bankers and stuff, man. This is like the haircut.
Yeah, this is the haircut.
Was a distinguished academic as
Why are they giving him an intro?
academic affairs dean
It's like he's dead.
as well as
Yeah, this is his
His homage.
now what's the word?
I don't know. I know what word you're thinking of.
Yeah.
All right, we're at VWAP, but I don't expect the bounce here because of just what's happening right now.
Yeah, it's super volatile right now.
We don't have to watch this. I just want to see.
We are delighted to have Vice Chair Jefferson with us today to explain his thinking on sorting through what's next when you're pretty close to good spot. Thanks very much.
Okay, here he comes. Jesus.
Imagine just being the intro guy.
Yeah, no, this guy's just the intro.
Here he is. Hey, look,
There
he's
he
got the
is.
same cup.
Thank you, Adam, and thank you to Peterson for the opportunity to speak today.
Hey, at least he's louder.
Before I begin,
Unlike the other guy.
Slightly.
remind you that
The other guy was nervous. This isn't live, by the way.
today are my
It's not?
own.
Now we're behind a little bit.
Yeah, we can't do that. He kind of looks like the principal from iCarly.
He does.
What's his name? The
forgot.
principal from iCarly.
And
Oh, what is his name?
are at risk, to which I am paying special attention.
Oh my God, they're using
Or the
PowerPoint, bro.
is it the same guy, Principal
Yeah,
Franklin?
Principal Franklin.
He also looks like Mr. Mosby. Isn't that his name?
Yeah,
From Sweet Life of Zack and Cody.
yeah.
With that,
He looks taller though.
let me turn to my outlook for the U.S. economy.
Roadmap of the
Real
tall.
GDP growth in 2023 came in much
Can we skip ahead? Jeez.
No, I actually I don't even think this is gonna be like a hard hitter.
Just get
Jerome Powell, when he's speaking, that's what we really got to watch out for. I will have it playing in the background though, but
as
better just watch the markets.
higher delinquency rates and a further decline in savings. These developments lead me to expect slower growth and in spending in 2024.
Dude, I can't even hear him.
Even so, without
Yeah.
really
Well, he said slower growth and nothing happened. So yeah, there's nothing that's gonna get affected by this.
Yeah.
It was just that like first part. Let's get this music back. Let's get this music back.
Yeah.
Better. Okay.
Pushing up a little here, touching value area high.
Yeah.
Getting ready to.
I'm excited for crude inventories. That's what I'm excited for.
Yeah, I do want to see
I'm
that.
very excited for crude
Got 1
inventories.
hour.
Crude inventories is going to be very fun.
Exactly 3,179 seconds
What?
until crude inventories. Look, you go to the EIA website.
It
and
gives
then
you
click
like.
the PDF. Yeah, look at it. It's temporarily unavailable.
Oh, that's funny. They're updating it. They're pricing it in.
They're getting ready. I'm gonna use the bathroom really quick. I'll be right back.
All right, I got you. As soon as you leave, the market's going to rally up like 5,000 points.
Yeah, go to 21K.
All right. We're back at value area high. Let's see what it does here now that the news is kind of calming down a little bit. Okay, maybe a nice bounce. Maybe a nice bounce. Let's see this. Oh, never mind. We're pushing through. All right, so it looks like we are going to be back out of this volume range. So we can see maybe another push up. Actually, we're having a little bit of trouble. We're back at value area high. If we push through value area high, we're going to be back out of this value range. So
There's
maybe
a clear fair value gap to fill.
fair value, fair
Fair
value.
value, ICT, AI.
The algorithms. Write this down. Write this down. Going crazy. No, but we are seeing a push up out of this volume again. So see what it does after this. I'm honestly just gonna be waiting for crude inventories. I wanna see what happens with crude inventories. That's gonna be. Now I don't know if I'm gonna play it. I don't know if I'm gonna play it, but theoretically, a long would be okay. A long would be okay. We can actually take a look at the chart right now. CL.
I'm with you there.
It's already going up. We might have just missed our chance though. Our chance was at pre-market.
Well, yeah, if you wanted to get in long.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, if the crude inventories are, it's gonna push it up. It might push it right past the 970 mark that we got to before.
Well, I was looking at the
65.
actual crude chart.
Yeah. Oh.
That
So
I'm
play crude.
I'm not gonna play crude on the crude chart. I'm gonna play crude on the NQ.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna touch the crude chart. I do not want to get stuck in a trade.
I'm sure you wouldn't be stuck for long.
Yeah, it's sweeped. Okay, so a little bit of a delayed bounce off value area.
They're just hovering around there.
Yeah, I would like to see a movement somewhere else.
It is a pretty big space though, to be fair. It's about a 30 point.
Yeah, it
we're
is a
just
very
hovering
big
around.
volume space. Yeah, the news to push it out of this zone will be definitely the crude news, unless this Jefferson guy says like the most outrageous shit. Then
Or they storm the meeting again.
or if more climate activists storm the meeting, then
Yeah, I don't know what that was about.
that was crazy. And it was funny too, because then they just resumed like it was nothing. They carried him out and then just resumed like it was nothing.
Yeah.
They were just like, let's continue talking about monetary policy, and then the market cranks down like 100 points because they said monetary policy.
That was a fun morning.
That was a very fun morning. We were like, what's going on? What's going on? That was hilarious. You never know. You never know what will happen. And that's honestly why I like this, because
Yeah.
who knows? Let's see.
Popular. Yeah.
Yeah.
But they were texts.
I'll take this call. You can. You can all see it.
Yeah, this is looking like I don't know, we're really high, at least on the, I can't pull it up on Matt's chart, but I have the 15-minute chart up, and we are pushing up to the high of the last week, pushing up to the week's high. So not super interested in playing right here. Like we've been saying, the crude inventories could push it past that, but just not super interested in getting in right now. I've made my money. If I see a good setup, I'll play it, but nothing's standing out right now. Nothing enticing enough. This value area high does look like it's getting respected pretty well though. The value area high being the green line on the top of his chart. Maybe not. I think they heard me. Yeah, it seems as if they have heard me. What the hell is happening? This is almost a 20-point candle we're seeing. Nice pullback, and now we're right sitting around the value area high again. Really likes this spot up here. For anyone just tuning in, we are waiting patiently for the crude inventories. They'll be out at 11 a.m. Actually, they might come out at 10:30.
Back.
Welcome back.
Oh, Nate's back.
He said that a while ago.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, 11 a.m. the inventories will be out.
Did you entertain them?
No, I didn't say anything.
He's Cole is watching. I'm tuned in, yo. Yo, type in chat, yo. Come on. Type in chat. Right now we are just waiting for crude inventories. Market's kind of hanging out until then. Crude inventories is gonna introduce a nice movement. I'm assuming to the upside, but these past crude inventories have been a little weird.
Well, the last one we were, what, like triple over?
Yeah, it was expected to be like 5 and we were at 12.
Yeah.
So
Can't really go off the forecast.
yeah, so I don't have full trust over the he said I wish I knew what was happening for real, taking notes. We're looking at the NASDAQ. We're looking at the top 100 companies in the United States right now. And we're also in preparation for crude oil inventories, which is the news about how many barrels of oil the United States has in reserves. And it also covers gasoline. So how many units of gasoline? I don't know if they measure gasoline in barrels. And then also how many distillate products of oil, which oil kind of is everything. So like there's a lot of distillates.
Not
like,
the ZA.
Not this. And then the Cushing inventories, which is like the actual reserve, like for when we're low on oil. So we will see that in approximately actually a while.
Yeah, we have a bit.
Yeah, we actually
44
have.
minutes.
Yeah, we actually have a bit. There's not really any it's not really any plays to make right now. The markets have kind of slowed down after the morning. I mean, me and Riley are both up. If you look at the bottom under us, right here, that's where we're up. Oh my god, I wasn't recording this whole time. Fuck. Damn it.
That sucks.
Yeah, I start recording now.
Damn, that sucks.
I wasn't recording this. Well, you were.
Yeah.
At least we got yours.
I'm gonna have to download that VOD and take the. I guess if the. We'll make it work. Whatever. It doesn't matter.
You might be able to download the VOD and.
If I just use the camera,
Yeah.
it won't be a big deal.
You think you could download? You could probably download the VOD and hire.
No.
Like if you use one of those.
If I use something else, probably. But then that'll be. It is what it is. So.
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
He says, so you're waiting for it to be recorded in the market. We're waiting for the report to be released.
Yeah, we're waiting for the report to be released. We don't necessarily know the inventories yet. They release it at 11 o'clock, and then we'll be able to cover that.
Yep.
This music is fire, bro.
Yeah,
I love
better.
the change of music. It is so much better. It gets you in the
Definitely
gets you locked in. Gets you locked in
It's just better than the fucking.
than the sleepy music.
Yeah, than the what do they even call it?
Lo-fi.
Nah, I know it's called lo-fi, but I'm talking about like
Lullaby.
yeah, the lullabies.
So- Yeah, no, this keeps us locked in. Locked in and steady.
Brain feeling a little slow this morning.
You said your brain?
Yeah. My Brian.
Gotta get up, do some jumping jacks.
Yeah, in about T-minus 5 minutes, we're going to skip to the push-up segment of the test. Up, down, one.
Up, down. That's what the market's doing right now. Up and down. This is a nice pullback, honestly.
Yeah.
You think
Whenever
about
you were gone, there was like a 20-point candle and pulled back.
play a pullback.
Pulled back 10 points. It's just hovered around this value area. I'm sure it'll get back up there. Yeah, it's doing it in this candle or the next one. Oh, I just realized none of these charts have a counter.
Yeah, they do.
On the seconds. Where is it at? Oh. Oh, okay, I see.
Oh, this is actually pretty dumpy. This is actually pretty dumpy looking. I just have a limit buy down here just to see if I can play it by ear. Yeah, that would have been a pretty nice pullback to play. Days like this, you are kind of just looking to be in and out on a pullback. Because, like, I mean, if I would have just dragged up, I probably would have gotten filled, like, right here, tacked on a tiny bit of drawdown, and then would have been, like...
Yeah, if you would have got a perfect entry.
No, perfect entry would be right here.
Yeah, well.
I was talking about, like, right here. Maybe right here. Even right here, that would have been...
There's nothing to base it off of.
A pullback.
Yeah, but you don't know if it's actually...
Yeah. It would have been a little scary.
Yeah.
Tacking on some
if it works, it was a pullback. If it doesn't work, it was a change of character.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Why do you think the lingo exists?
Yeah.
To have some type of what is it called?
Something to cope with.
Yeah, copium. Copium.
We are seeing three red candles though. Seems like it is starting to move down here.
Yeah,
This area hasn't touched the value area. It's the first candle in like 10, 15 minutes.
I would like to get into a buy,
10 minutes.
but I will wait. I will wait.
I don't know how I'm feeling about the buy. We're really high right now. We are almost at the weekly high.
We got to remember the crude news.
Yeah, but that's not for another 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Like you're talking.
Yeah, I'm not jumping. Yeah, I'm not jumping in right now. I'm just watching.
Yeah, that's all I was saying is we're sitting pretty close to this weekly high, which obviously it's not the end all be all, but I don't know. I'm not super interested in long, especially like I said, 40 minutes away from the crude news. It seems more like I feel like it's going to burn down a little bit here. Probably get down to, I think it's
play
get
something
down to this
copyright.
Area.
No.
I think it's going to burn down to this area.
Yeah.
Because this, you can see it's, that's what I think is going to happen.
We're not getting
Down to the
DMCA
9:15.
striked on like our 4th or 5th stream. We're not getting DM. That would ruin everything.
Now we got 3 strikes. Play some Drake.
Take an L to play some Drake.
Yeah.
Take an L to play
Take a
some
strike
Drake.
so we can hear Passion Fruit.
Oh, I'm listening to Passion Fruit while streaming. You gotta bring your AirPods so you can listen to your own music.
I wear my AirPods and my glasses. I'm just not even here.
You're not actually
I'm
here.
just-
Yeah.
I just am entering trades the entire time, back to back to back.
The money
trades.
glasses, maybe we'll get a chance to put the money glasses on today.
Look with the green screen, they look green.
Oh yeah, wait, do these like glitch
I
the
never
green
thought about
screen
that.
out?
He should. Let's see.
Look at the
Put them on
stream.
real quick.
Look at the stream. I'm actually curious if they like glitch the
No,
green
they
screen out.
don't, cause I've
Oh yeah.
yeah they don't, cause I've we've had clips of them
Yeah.
multiple times. Put Passion Fruit on now, they say.
Yeet.
Maybe we could do covers. I'm sure that's not DMCA-able.
Might be
We
floating. It
can do
might be
some-
floating a little close.
We could do some cover songs. Nah, not if we're completely out of key.
Yeah, the algorithm.
If it
won't-
sounds like shit, they'll never know.
Yeah. Yeah, look at these whips.
We gotta take singing lessons and then just bust it out on here.
Yeah.
Dude, after having this vitamin water, my actual water just tastes so bland. I need the sucralose.
You feel revitalized?
Yeah, I feel good. I've been having donuts in the morning. So
Donuts.
I need to get some
Donuts?
electrolytes in me. Some
Wow.
water specifically.
Yeah,
Them donuts
to
dry me
absorb
out.
to absorb that. Oh, here we go. Push it back down in the range you were talking about.
Yeah.
I'm gonna switch it over to the studies. I say whatever I want.
Money for fun.
Money for that's what we're doing. Money for fun. We put
Yeah,
just
this
big
is-
bold text above our screen. Money for fun.
This is the money for fun graph.
Money for fun. Money for fun.
I wish they had like how Trade Evade has the you can see your previous trades, it'll put the lines on the graph. This doesn't have that.
Yeah, it's a psychological thing, and so a lot of people turn it off anyways, just because.
Why? How does that?
Just so you're not living on your previous trades, you're kind of just like. It's a psychological thing.
wanna
It's
see.
personal preference.
That seems very I don't know.
It's like another
Skeptical
like
thing.
it's like you don't trade based off of your P&L. A lot of people turn their balance off so they can't see their balance. You don't want to trade based off your balance. You just kind of want to trade.
Yeah.
A lot of people turn their balance like off so they can't even see it. Me personally,
Weak minds.
Yeah, me personally, I'm perfectly fine with seeing my stats.
Nothing could tilt me.
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine with seeing my stats.
The roof could collapse, I'm still gonna make a good trade. Nothing will stop me.
There's an earthquake, everyone's freaking out, and you're just sitting here like this. You're like, oh, the market's going down, because of the earthquake. But your clips are good. They're gonna know whose chart they're looking at.
Yeah, mine is a different color too. But
They're gonna know whose chart. Oh my god, look at
money
Nate.
for fun line. Jesus Christ.
I stay with that like a lightsaber.
I didn't even know he said that in the song.
That's kind of crazy.
I had no idea.
That's kind of crazy. That's kind of based.
Very based.
See it get pushed back down in that range you were talking about.
Yeah, it seems like it's working its way down there.
It's pretty much at the top of it.
Seems like it is working its way down there.
Boxing glove in there too.
I can't turn it.
Can't rotate. Okay, so it only works on the upwards
Doesn't
movements.
seem that way, yeah. Unless I like... Can I do this, maybe? Oh, no. Yeah, it does only work on the upwards movement.
You can only use the boxing glove strat. Now you can use this strat anywhere.
Yeah, the lucky sevens.
Don't you still have it on the
I
chart
think
at
I
the
got rid of
sevens?
it.
Go down
I
to the
definitely
sevens.
got rid of it.
No, it's at the sevens. Oh yeah, you did.
Look at how...
It
Jeez,
scales.
that's terrible.
You gotta just put a bunch of emojis on the chart.
Send it into the Top Step Discord.
Hey, remember
My new study?
you can draw too. You
My
can
new
free draw.
study. Yeah. It's probably... I'm gonna end up... Oh, it's like a...
Yeah, it's free draw.
Kinda, but it like... creates good curves.
Mm-hmm.
It's weird. Oh shit, how do I get rid of this?
You can switch
Oh,
back
it's
to the
up here.
crosshair. Yeah, you just place a bunch of dots though. So like switch back to the crosshair and then you can like click on it and then delete.
Oh, okay. Oh shit.
And like 15 tiny dots. It doesn't want to get back in this range. I've rejected it.
Playing Aim Labs. I'm getting antsy again.
We have natural gas in 3 minutes.
What was that?
We're expected to have more natural gas.
Let's go.
58 billion BTUs.
The economy is gassy.
The economy is gassy. That's a good one. The economy is indeed
It was a
gassy.
layup. What can I say?
It was a layup.
we're back at the top of the range. This could be a nice little short.
Yeah, maybe.
Could potentially be like a 20-point short if you wanted to get in on it. I don't know if I will.
I mean, I see it.
I'm
I see it.
gonna say it for the books.
Say, yeah, you always just gotta say it for the books. Say what you're thinking for the books.
Yeah.
Trade natural gas news. Let's just mainline trade natural gas.
Period. That's it. End of thought.
End of thought. And end of statement. That small red candle kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it seems like what I said was incorrect.
Just scrub it. Well, you don't know that.
We're
yet.
still at the top of the range.
Yeah, you don't know that yet.
But we have pushed through. I keep forgetting to look at this. We have pushed through the value area.
Mm-hmm.
If it would have bounced off of that,
that would have been
pretty
a
solid.
little bit better sentiment.
Yeah. Yeah, now we're starting to push past that area. We're finally breaking out of this. Ideally, we're finally breaking out of this range.
30 seconds until natural gas news.
Where do you see that?
EIA natural gas change.
Oh, I don't have that.
Oh?
No.
Really? It's weird.
That's great. Financial juice coming in clutch.
You don't get the full picture.
Yeah, I got to give them $100 a month. Seems like natural gas did pretty well. Well, it's not
Well, we
out
don't know
yet.
that yet. Yeah.
They're expecting it to do well.
Yeah, let's see it. All right, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Was the natural gas forecast correct or not? It was close.
It was good.
Short natural gas.
The forecast was 58 billion. The actual was 60 billion. So we beat the forecast by 2 billion, while the previous was 49 billion.
The 60 billion
Negative 49. They're all negative.
BTUs. The 60 billion BTUs of natural gas.
So the actual was good.
The actual was
Good for the news.
Yeah,
good for the
more.
charts.
So at least all the home sales are up. Natural gas is up. So the homes are getting warmed.
Yeah.
The homes are getting warmed.
Not only are people living, but they're living in warmth. this winter.
They are living in warmth. We're actually at this top tick of the upwards movement in the beginning.
Yeah.
Does it bounce off of that?
Just for fun, check the trade flash.
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
you're like, never mind.
Yeah, I'm dialed in.
realize
I'm dialed in real quick.
Fed Jefferson. In considering, I'll read it on my screen. Fed Jefferson says, in considering impact of the real federal funds rate, focuses on how policy is influencing balance of supply and demand.
That means a lot.
Yeah.
That means
Very
a lot.
important. You Fed Jefferson.
Man went on a 30-minute tangent with an intro just to say that.
Like, he got one sentence in this. Oh, he's still going. He's now sitting down.
they switched settings.
Yeah.
He's sitting down now. Oh, that's the Q&A.
Oh, yeah, you're right. He's got an interesting tie on.
Next he's gonna do a draw my life.
I haven't seen one
I
of
am
them
locked in. I am locked in.
years.
What a draw my life.
Yeah, I forgot about those.
Oh, that would have been a pretty cool short
Yeah.
to sit in right here.
That is the thing, though. If you would have got in at the top of that, you're risking it touching that
I'm
that
risking it.
open high.
I mean,
probably would've
we
stopped.
still don't even know yet.
Yeah.
It's just been two tiny little baby candles. I mean, I'm
They
still
don't
thinking.
even want to end in red. You got 23 seconds.
Yeah, this candle doesn't end on red then. I mean, the Q&A is usually where the hard-hitting
Yeah.
news comes out, because, I mean, those people, they know what questions to ask.
Yeah. He's just cakewalking through his speech.
Yeah. The people that are asking the questions, they know exactly what questions to ask, and they do that on purpose because they know what will happen. Like that.
Someone's got to ask him.
That's how it is with Jerome Powell as well. They ask the hard hitting questions because they know exactly what's going to happen with the market.
Nothing happened on the trade flash.
Yeah, nothing happened. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, don't drop that.
You'll be just fine.
Yeah, do not drop that.
Think of it like any other device.
Linus Tech Tips it. Just drop it by accident.
It's not your money.
What device is it?
Sure, they have insurance.
I would hope they have insurance.
Yeah, you'll be fine.
What is it, like a NAS or something?
Sell it. Exit scam them.
Exit scam. Just walk out with it.
Is this the basement setup? No, we're actually in the top floor of the penthouse.
This is the basement setup. I fucking hate that bit. I hate that bit so
Why?
much. And you're gonna continue with it. I know you're gonna continue with it. I know you're gonna continue with it. Yeah, this is the basement stew. We got the green screen behind us. They just think I'm knocking. Look, I'm knocking on Meadow right now. I'm waking it up. I'm waking it. Oh, it's awake. It is awake. All the stocks are awake right now, actually. Except for Apple's kind of consolidating. Amazon's alright. Nvidia's moving up as usual. Nvidia's just killing it.
Oh my god, yeah, they're at 780 now.
Joe Rogan could never. We'll get Joe Rogan day trading.
Yeah. Oh, did we tell them about our special guest next week? Next week we're gonna have a pretty special guest, guys. You might want to tune in. Pretty small name streamer.
Who? What is his name?
Oh, you wanted to know his name? Should we put out the spoiler?
Yeah, go ahead.
Haven't even tweeted it yet. We're gonna have it's a new up and coming streamer. His name is Jinxie. He said he wanted to get into the trading market, so we're gonna teach him.
Whenever you're antsy, remember you can paper trade. You just switch it over.
I know.
I know when you're antsy when you start talking about random stuff. Alright, we're at this top. We are at this top.
Yeah, right, buddy.
Yeah, right, buddy.
Well, you'll have to tune in next week to see, I guess. Looks like you're gonna have to look
we
at.
just keep pushing it back.
It looks like you're gonna have to watch all the streams until then.
We're at this top part. I am curious to see what the top does. We have 25 minutes until crude oil.
Seeing a decent pullback here. What does that mean? I don't know.
We'll find out next candle.
We're still at the complete top of the range. And that wasn't even a red, like on the 3-minute candle just finished, and it was very indecisive. As you can see, the right chart is the 3-minute chart, the left chart is the 1-minute chart.
Sorry, one of my clients wants me to give him a call, so give him a call after the stream.
I'm fucking busy.
I am busy. I love this music. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay, so it overshot it a
Looks
little
like
bit.
my trade copier is working. I didn't even think to check that.
Right now we're modding ourselves, but you know, I'd say if we get the chat rate up to like average of like 15-20,
Yeah,
then
considering the fact that there is nobody except you in the chat, Cole, I think we're good.
you're gonna mod yourself.
Thanks for the offer. I think that's an offer. Just let me take it as one, even if it's not.
Yeah, it is an offer. Okay, nice push down. Possible entry at value area high. As you can see, there's some resistance there. You can see it's bounced off it a couple times, and then it finally got the push through.
And not something. It was doing pretty well over there.
Maybe a possible entry at value area high.
That the value area high was very respected.
I believe we are. Gonna blow up.
Gonna blow up. Yeah.
We just gotta place a wild trade and then blow up after that.
Gonna blow up and act like I don't know nobody. You know?
His laugh.
I just want to be an evil
Oh,
villain.
Nate said, "I'm here, Mom."
I just want to be an evil villain. That's all I want in life.
An evil villain that tanks the market.
Yeah.
You're gonna be the one that sweeps people. You're gonna be the one that starts liquidity sweeps, and then you're just gonna laugh when people get liquidity swept. All right, let's see this. It's pushing back to
I am liquid.
main point of control.
To be sure, we're both liquid. We're about 60% liquid.
Kind of hungry.
Me too.
You gonna do something for lunch? What wanna do?
Don't you have work at 1?
No, I don't have work today.
Oh. Yeah, we should. We can do anything.
It's my off day. Even though my one guy wants me to give him a call.
Better speak nice about him. He might be watching. We don't know who's watching this stream.
No, I like this guy.
So humble. Bro's holding the Apple Vision Pro. What does that mean?
These are the new Apple Vision Pros. They made them in glasses. Look, I can see everything now.
Yeah, let me put it on the video.
We just sit here going like this.
Pull the chart. Bye.
Now somebody at my work actually got a pair of Apple Vision Pros and
Waste of money.
nah, they're cool. I don't see a use for them. Hold up. We gotta lock in real quick. We're at this area. I don't necessarily see a use for them yet, but maybe in the future. Oh, nah, the 30,000 device. 30,000 device Nate's holding.
He's holding 10 Apple Vision Pros. Oh, I didn't even realize. Handling a $30,000 device. Remember, I cannot speak. I didn't realize.
All right, we're at point of control right here. I'd be fine with taking a stab.
Yeah, this could be actually a pretty good play here.
I want to see.
Part of me really doesn't want to make another trade.
I want to see some more. Well, you definitely have the P&L to walk away.
I want to trade, but I just have a feeling it's gonna go wrong.
I want to see a little more. Yeah, I mean, you don't really want to place a trade unless you're
Confident in the setup.
at least an 80% confidence factor in the trade.
Yeah.
I would say 80% is pretty good.
Is it me or has this been like the exact same beat for the last hour?
It might have been.
It's this.
I'm locked right now. I want more data though. I want more candles.
More candles. These candles don't smell very good.
Yeah, these candles are not White Barn candles. We should bring a candle. We should put just a candle. we set up a market altar.
A candle. It's like one of the candles.
Oh, yeah, there it
the
is.
wax
There
too,
it is right
and
there.
it's not there's
So it's
nothing
just-
around it, so it's just melting.
It's
onto
dripping
your-
on our focus, right?
Yeah.
Fucking ruining it.
ruining it.
Ruining it. Yeah, this is looking pretty good. Let's get
Yeah.
filled. Let's get filled right here.
19 seconds to the next candle.
Let's see if it gets me. See if it takes me for a fool. Like, it bounced right off the money for fun. Why did it bounce perfectly off the money
Literally
for fun?
perfect. I should have been focusing on that. The money for fun line.
Oh, no, I don't like that anymore.
Ooh.
Yeah, I don't like that anymore. Yeah.
It's
You can see how fast the market switches up.
yeah.
Where we had some sentiment
Well,
and then it
actually,
just
to be
absolutely tanked.
Actually, if you look at it in more of a broader sense, that was probably just
Just a quick liquidity grab.
yeah, and then now it's just
Because it pushed
continuing to
down,
go back
liquidity
down.
grab. Yeah, so that's exactly what it was. This right here was a liquidity grab.
Yeah, we're probably just gonna see it burn down today, depending on what these crude inventories do in 18 minutes.
The crude inventories will say it all.
Yeah, the inventories.
The inventories. They
Armor.
check the crude inventories by clicking E, and then they look in their inventory and, and then they see.
Oh. Oh, it's the start of the candle. Who knows?
Yeah, we're just gonna watch this. Capital preservation is key.
Fed Jefferson has just been saying the most broad sentences. He says, Fed Jefferson says the labor market can change quickly in ways that policymakers cannot anticipate. True.
Oh, look, we're back at the money for fun.
Oh, this is a perfect play.
Bounce off it.
Nah, it does look like we're burning down here. I'll get long, you get short, one of us wins.
Yeah. It's gotta happen.
Winner buys lunch.
That would be funny. We have about 15 minutes.
I would like to
until-
see if it gets down to this 930, like 930 to 920 range. I'd like to see if it pushes through that. If it pushes through that, this is a pretty strong downtrend.
Yeah, because right now we're kind of sort of at the top of that previous consolidation.
Yeah.
I do not like consolidation channels. That's where the uncertainty comes in.
Mm-hmm.
If there's no liquidity grab, we could see a liquidity grab up back at value area. You said you looked it up. It is
35K.
3K instead of 30K. You were off by an entire
Don't
power.
steal that.
Yeah.
So it is an Apple Vision Pro. Is
Yeah, it literally is an app. Is it a 3.5K?
that how much they are?
Yeah, they're $3,500.
Money to burn.
The Think
crazy.
Station. It's actually oh yeah, it's a computer. A pooter. Okay. We pushed through this consolidation.
We're right at it, really.
Yeah.
Now we're going through it.
Now we're going through it.
All right, now we got to get through this next consolidation zone. Could be.
We're just pushing through the morning range. 3.2K. Lenovo Think Station. Yeah, those are powerful. Look at that slap. Look at that slap down. And I was trying to play that fucking liquidity grab. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one right there.
You know, I just have an eye for things.
Yeah.
I just have an eye.
Hey, we're at VWAP.
Ooh. Scared of that line. Holy shit.
Yeah, you're scared of VWAP. Nah, I
What VWAP is that?
it's just standard.
Mine's way lower.
Why?
Yeah, that's what I'm wondering.
I don't know.
Oh,
It's on HLC3, so it should be.
yeah. Anchor period session. What's yours on? Session.
Zoom out. Let it update.
I just did.
Some data discrepancy won't hurt
I have
anybody,
no idea.
except for your
Well,
P&L.
mine's the same as that one.
So mine's wrong.
Yeah.
Whatever. I'm not going off of fucking anything on this chart anyways. I'm going off of that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
That's funny.
Could play the bottom of the range.
Yeah, I mean,
Back up.
once again, if the forecast for crude oil is right, we should look at a bullish movement, but you never know with these forecasts. Because it's also, we're in a situation that even if the forecast, it's at 3.75 right now, even if it's at like 8 or 9, technically it is still down from 12, but it's still probably going to go down because 8 or 9 is still very high.
Well, I mean, like we said earlier, this is literally almost the same forecast we had last week.
Yeah.
It was 3 something, and suddenly 12 comes out. So if that happens again, I mean, there's no chance that this stays anywhere near the price it's at right now. It's going to sink.
It is going to just sink. And we'll pull up the crude oil chart for you guys to look at in about 5 minutes.
Sucks there's not a... Oh, this'll work.
A leg. Kick.
Oh, I can't rotate it. I forgot. Right back, I'm gonna use the bathroom.
That's a good one. Arcs right over it.
Yeah. It's the emoji pattern.
All right. Yes, we are seeing a nice burn down. I am curious to see how far this does go down. Yeah. There's just some nice two pullbacks. Those would have been good entries as well. So crude inventories in 10 minutes. After that, we'll play it by ear. Probably sign off in probably 11:30 maybe. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, it's a little closer to 5K. They put some other stuff in it. Nate's handling a think station.
Yeah. Oh, Putin says we are ready to work with any U.S. president. Putin reiterates that he prefers Biden to Trump as a U.S. president.
Wow, that's a diss. This right there. Trump was just on his side
What do you mean?
about the killing of the
Oh yeah.
of the other person.
Well, apparently they're he's throwing out sneak disses.
Yeah, Trump just goes back on what he said.
He's like, you know what? Never mind. Putin did that shit. Aiden messaged me and said, "Is there any demos?" I said this. I believe this is correct.
You don't have to trade any real money on the mechanics. $5 just to have some type of holding.
That's correct.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I thought.
because you do have to pay for market data with futures.
Yeah.
And Tradebate.
Sure,
Tradebate's the best one.
Yeah.
Tradebate is probably the best
he
paper
won't be able to
trade.
get VWAP.
Yeah, you won't.
I didn't realize that.
I think they actually might have went back on what they were saying about that. He might. We'll see. The market data can come out of that $5 in the account that you put it in. I mean, we can always help him just set it up. We didn't quite make it to
But it's not commodities. What's the NQ and ES? That's
indices,
indices.
but it's on the commodities market, so just say indices. If he wants to trade stocks, he has to do, like, he can do Webull.
Yeah, I think he wants to do
Weebulls.
this.
Okay. Because stocks, you can do Webull and you can do paper trading on Webull as well. I mean, you can do paper trading on Thinkorswim, but it's a little overwhelming. Webull's very user-friendly and it's better than Robinhood, so. I actually don't know why they've never done a Robinhood paper trading.
Yeah, that would probably bring up their user base a lot.
Yeah, because I mean, they're already appealing to people just starting in the market.
Yeah, that
and
would be
then,
perfect.
You know, paper trading, that's like what you do when you just start. Okay, we're going to switch over to the crude chart soon just to watch it.
7
Right
minutes.
now, actually. We'll go to crude right now. Let's go to crude oil.
T minus 6 minutes.
T minus. I just realized this morning the lady didn't say the markets are open.
Thought you did.
Did she? I didn't hear it. Probably just wasn't paying
I
attention.
think she did. I don't know.
The markets are open.
I wanted to say something. I don't know what though.
Okay, here we go. This is the crude oil chart right here. So we can go ahead and take a look at the possible buyback. All right, boys, I gotta tune out. I'll be a regular though. Hell yeah. That's what I like to hear.
Have a good day, Cole.
Have a good day, Cole. Actually, before you leave, unless you're already gone, go ahead, click on that link. You can go ahead, click on that link tree and follow all the other social medias. I got a lot of stuff going on all of them. Right, everyone leaves right before oil news. Last time Ethan left.
Yeah.
Now it's. Come on, oil news is fun. It's where you actually see something cool.
My theory stands. Nobody clicks link trees unless you have boobs. My theory stands.
All right, we're still gonna try it.
No. But that's what I mean. We have to like actually say something. That could be pinned up there all day.
Oh yeah.
No one will click it. I wouldn't. Keep it real.
Hey, at least it's not a Hoobie.
That's a thing. That's
Yeah.
another link tree website.
It's another type of link tree type thing. It's called Hoobie. Who.b.
Like I'm sure people have subscribed and shit, but they don't. No one's clicking that shit.
No.
I don't blame them. It's 29. Yeah, we've got. I think we've gotten 2 from the stream.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
We got a couple.
It's actually going pretty well.
Yeah.
Subscriber wise, it's moving. Ooh, something did well. Hey, this is the start. You stay consistent, that'll keep happening.
Hey.
Let's go.
Let's go. Ah, boom.
Ah, boom. We could even put Da Vinci on these computers and just do the shorts down here.
Yeah. We could.
I would like to eat first.
Yeah, we can get something to eat.
But
I'm down with just Wawa, honestly. I gotta give my guy a call too. You don't want the fries?
no,
You know
I'm not going to.
you don't want the fries, bro?
Wawa, you spend the same amount as anywhere else anyway.
Yeah, they got good fries.
Food is like, it's good if you're drunk,
Yeah.
but I don't drink alcohol because I have to be dialed in as a trader.
Yeah, exactly. All right, crude oil futures. Let's see what happens with this. So once again, just to reiterate, the last inventories were kind of funny. The expected was 5 and actual was 12 million barrels. So that really kind of cranked the market down, and now, you know, previous 12 million forecasted to be 3.75. So that's a very big difference. So if the news is right, we should see an uptake in oil buying, and we should see the price reflect that. If the forecast is anything how it was last time, we would probably see a burn down of that again. So, and we will be watching that. immediately. I already have it up on stream. These both of these charts are going to be crude charts. This is 3 minute. This is 1 minute. In times of news, you don't really look at the value area, high, low, point of control. It's just going to blast straight through them because it's news. There's not really any statistical analysis or anything when it comes to news. So you kind of just have to play it by ear at that point. But we'll see if the forecast is actually right this time. If the forecast is right, then it would be a really nice buy. If the forecast is wrong, then then I mean, who knows, honestly. We have a minute until oil news, so let's lock in. Lock in.
Sorry.
Let's get to it.
I was replying to him.
I do have a limit buy order. I'm probably not gonna place it, but you know, if my intuition kicks in, you know, I just get in real quick.
Donk.
Donk.
God, I want a soundboard.
Yeah, we need to get that set up.
It'd take 5 minutes.
It would take 5 minutes.
1 minute.
No, 25 seconds.
Do you have? Shit.
20 seconds oil news.
Yeah.
Do we put the glasses on again?
Yeah, I'm down.
Let's put the glasses
Something
on
might
again.
happen.
We got
Dude,
the glasses on again.
All my glasses are polarized, but it's so hard to. I can't. I gotta turn my whole head to look at your screen.
It's all just black.
Yeah.
All right, 3 seconds until oil news. All right, news now. All right, it was good.
What the fuck?
Nate, I can't read that right now. Sorry.
Okay, when people have an old dog. Some random shit. Okay.
It's
Nathan
good.
says. Thank you. Nathan says, low-key, when people have an old dog that dies and they replace it right away with a puppy, that stuff bothers him. Grieve that guy for a little, man. Don't just
True.
replace him or her.
Oh.
Inclusive.
Okay.
Actual.
So the
The forecast was right.
yeah, right on the
I
money.
actually think that's good that it was a little under.
Yeah, it was. It is good.
Order filled.
Oh, damn.
You're in?
Yeah, I got stopped.
What was your position?
It was right here. I dragged it up too early.
I'm not. What is happening on my screen? Oh, it's the. Okay. I see.
Gasoline inventories are crazy. We have like no gasoline. Actual is 0.2.
Holy shit.
Okay, so we started. We were burning.
Yeah, the gasoline. Oh, damn. Good thing I filled up my tank. Jesus.
We
Jesus.
were burning.
Still not very clear what it's gonna do because the distillate and crude were good, but the gasoline was terrible.
Well, it's low. And low means the price is gonna go up.
Yeah.
High means the price is gonna go down.
The other two were high. That's what I mean.
Order filled.
We'll do it.
Cool. Ding a ding a durgan.
Ding a ding a durgan. Limit sell 1. Do that. Just right at the top of this candle. Limit sell 1. We'll do like right
When you
here.
win 3.
Yeah.
All right.
And limit sell 1 up here. Oh, that's not gonna work. Glasses.
Order
Get.
filled.
Oh.
Shit. Exit
Sad.
those.
Yeah. I have to remember to exit those
Yeah.
actually. Thought I could get a stab.
You could try.
Look at oil.
Jeez. How much is that? That's what, 820 to 860. That's
A lot.
0.4, 0.5, where it's 70 now, 0.5 points. How much is that again? That's like $500 a contract.
Yeah, $500 roughly a contract.
That's ridiculous.
Oh, it's gonna go that direction too. It's just I held it too tight.
Yeah. Well, it wasn't even that tight, really.
Yeah. Oh, I clicked market.
Damn.
I meant to click limit. All right, whatever. Let's play it. Oh wait, I'm shorting.
Oh my god.
I hate this. I hate this so much. I hate this so much.
Order filled.
Jesus.
You're back in. Don't tilt.
I'm not
Don't
tilting.
tilt.
I'm not tilting.
It's fine. If this doesn't get your way, stop.
Yeah. It's not.
Yeah.
But
Not yet.
I'll hold it for a little bit. I'll sit in it.
I think your stop loss is relatively safe.
Yeah.
I should never have said that. Put the glasses back on.
Put the glasses back on.
Straight face. Put that poker face on. Start mewing. We need anything here.
It's like the second time I've messed up an order fill.
It's really easy to.
It is very easy to.
That's really like, that's what I don't like about this.
It is extremely easy to.
It's scary.
Yeah. I don't like wearing the glasses.
How long until you 20 seconds in this candle?
Yeah. Gotta hold out for
It's getting down there, but
15 seconds.
I'm not gonna speak.
Yeah, every time you talk, the,
Yeah.
the market
They hear
flips. Yeah, they hear
me.
you.
That's what whenever you went to the bathroom, I made that joke because I said something and it instantly invalidated it. I'm like, oh, they hear me. They must have heard me.
I mean, still in this. Should actually switch it over. Hey boys, if that's okay. I want to go shopping. Yeah, I'll go shopping with you later. Where are we going?
Shopping? What?
I had a order fill mess up, and now I'm gonna play this. I am gonna play this.
Why do you want to go shopping? What are you shopping for?
I'm gonna tighten up. If it stops me out, it stops me out. Okay, I got one out.
Okay. I just wanted to draw your lines. Now I'm like, I don't have to look over at your monitor.
Yeah.
You got one out. Oh shit.
I just got one more out.
The fuck did I get rid of that?
Now let's play this last one. A retrace back up the range. That would be fun. Retrace back up the range would be really fun. I'm doing it. I'm playing it.
Yeah, I will tag along, Nathan.
I'm just gonna get that out.
Good job.
Okay, 286 on the day. I reeled it back in.
Yeah.
286 on the day.
Jesus Christ,
Rolled it
dude! When
back
you
in.
just started playing, I was like, "Oh no, dude!"
You're gonna have to pull me away from the
Yeah,
screen.
I'm like, Jesus is going.
No, because I
bad.
wanted to play it, but that first mess up, fucking
You better thank God that you just got a 20-point candle.
yeah.
Jesus, dude.
Oh, the light's gonna die soon.
Well, I guess
It
stream. It would be nice if we went like 23, like to Euro close, like Justin was saying.
Yeah, 11:30.
Yeah. Jesus, that scared me. You did. You reeled it back in.
I read it back in. I knew it was because also one thing that you notice with like crude as well, the Nasdaq does kind of lag behind.
Yeah.
So I knew it was gonna happen. It's just the fucking fills messed up.
And I think you played too early.
Yeah,
you were
I
playing
did.
those bullshit candles, like right when the news came out, and it's
played the
It was
consolidation.
so yeah.
And I could have sat in this longer, but I was like, let's just reel it back in.
No, yeah, I think
Let's
that
just
was
reel it
great.
back in.
Yeah, I don't. It doesn't matter how much this goes. You would have been stopped there anyway.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter, and it would have been way worse. That was You were down like 300 at one point, like negative 300.
Yeah. With a stop loss of negative 400 on an open trade. So worse could have been negative 700 on the day. I wrote it back in.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, so 286. What are you at again? 317.
317.
317. So I'm still up.
Yeah.
That's what matters. I was at
286 is good.
fo.
Yeah. That should have been the sign. You got that. You got
I got that fo,
your
and I should have just
angel
stopped.
number.
I
Should've
gotta
been the
get
end of it.
some gifts for.
Yeah, I saw
Okay.
that. Yeah, I'll tag along, Nate.
Yeah, I'm down to tag along. I might pick up a suit.
Oh, actually. Yeah, I'll tag along, but I'm gonna after this. You can come with me if you want. I'm gonna go to the gym after we get lunch.
Alright.
Try to maybe try to go directly after.
Well, I gotta call this dude. I don't know if he wants me to source something for him or not. We'll figure out when I
Call him after this.
Yeah, I'm gonna call him after
Before lunch. So worst comes to worst, I can go home and eat.
that. Mhm.
I just want to get my workout in before, like, ideally before
I'm not going
1 or
in.
2.
I'm not going in.
What if he'll buy it today? Better go in.
Well, if he says he's gonna buy it today, then I will go in.
We don't have anything planned apart from shopping,
Shopping.
and I'm not buying anything.
Okay, so that was some fun inventories right there. Had a fill mess up, but wrote it back in at least.
A little bit of an adrenaline rush, I'm sure.
A
If
little
you
bit of
weren't
an
awake
adrenaline
now
rush.
you are.
I am awake.
Check the trade flash. Let's see if anything happened.
Oh yeah, we can. Let me bring it back. Let's look at this trade flash.
Nope,
None. Wow.
nothing.
What about on CL?
Oh, true. Didn't even think about that. Nothing. Huh. Okay.
A little odd.
I still don't know how you pop it out. I wish I had it on my monitor so I
figure
could
that-
sit here
we'll
and
figure
play with
that
it.
out. Well, you can download.
You
You can
film it again?
create a Thinkorswim account.
I know, I'm going to. I just don't have it on this computer right now. Who the fuck is Phil Minigan?
Filming again.
Oh,
Filming again.
he just got me, didn't he?
He got you somehow. I still don't really know how, but did get you.
No, we're not. If that was the real question, we're not filming again today. I want to edit and stuff. When do you want to go? I'm assuming you want to go around 3 or 4, which would work pretty well.
Mm-hmm.
I told Aiden. I think Aiden will be in the Discord later. I told him we'd help him set it up.
Oh, okay.
I'm assuming I'll probably be in the Discord around 6. 'Cause I told him a bit later. I told him I want to after this. I got stuff to do. What was the
What?
max drawdown there?
It was
Does it show it?
no. It'll show it when it updates, but it was pretty. It's gonna
It
be
was
a
deep.
it's gonna be a funny looking chart.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a funny looking chart.
That was an interesting minute. That was scary. I'm watching. I'm like, oh my god.
You heard the famous line, just fuck it.
Yeah. You just kept placing trades, and they were all 3 contracts. I'm like, oh no, dude.
I had it all under control.
It
That
came
was a
back.
good one. That would be
Got it.
that would be a good short too.
Yeah.
Accidental fill.
Well, dude, it probably would be funny if we made it. And then right when the trade places, it zooms in on my face. I don't know what the face I was making, but it was definitely of some concern. But just over here watching, I'm like,
Okay, so Euro close in 20 minutes, and then we can go ahead and hop out of here.
yeah. I called a couple setups today, but I think most of them actually invalidated. So it's probably a good thing I didn't play anything after the initial trade. Which I really don't.
Great Stakes Trading has followed us. Thank you for the follow.
You think that was AI generated?
Maybe.
I can't
Look,
believe
we're at-
people use AI
We're
to
at
like, generate their
2.2
names
on
and shit.
this.
Oh damn! Which one is that? Is that the
The
Nvidia
Nvidia
one?
one.
Nice.
It's getting people talking.
You got it. Oh, did you not post that one yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Oh, you should have.
We can do a double post today.
Yeah, but that would have definitely should have uploaded yesterday. We have artificial flow coming in. Pump them out.
Pumping them out. 32 gigs of DDR4. Hey. And they can load a lot
my
of
computer.
I can load a lot of bars. because these charts get stored in RAM for some of the stuff. Not this brokerage.
Yeah.
This shit's on Google.
Dude,
Well, actually, it probably
something-
does because it's on Google.
Yeah, it definitely does.
Yeah, you're using 2 gigs on Google.
Yeah. So I found out the page pool yesterday. Justin was showing me. It'll some stuff. The RAM will, like, I don't know exactly how it works, but it'll use your SSD to store things.
Yeah, well.
If it doesn't need it instantly, it'll use your portions of your SSD as RAM, which is pretty cool. Pretty smart.
As a RAM that doesn't
'Cause
necessarily have to be like accessed immediately.
Yeah.
Like just like stack things.
Cause dude, his page pool was like 82 gigs. And I was like, how the fuck is it that high? Well, his fucking RAM usage in general was like, we're just sitting on Discord and it was like 45%. And I'm like, what the fuck is he using all that? And then he's in his task manager and he opens his Chrome. He's like, oh yeah, I have like 30 tabs open. It's like an endless scroll.
That's funny.
We're back up to this.
Yeah, good oil news.
open
Where
rate.
the United States has reeled it back in.
Yeah.
They were like, oh, we accidentally bought too much. They used the company card.
Yeah, right.
The United States used the
happens.
company card to buy 12 million barrels of crude oil.
The United Bank of Mad also reeled it back in.
I
The
really reeled it back in on that one.
The investors in the United Bank of Mad are very happy today.
We made some good trades today.
I made one trade and that's it. One contract.
You made one trade, 317. That's
Yeah.
good.
I was happy with it. I didn't feel the need to trade. Like I said, I made some call outs for setups, but most of them just got invalidated and I didn't feel very confident in any of them. So I just stuck with what I had.
Don't unless you're confident. I knew the oil push up was gonna happen. I just didn't know when and how choppy it was, and I accidentally filled. And then I accidentally
was
filled the
crazy.
short.
That was a
It was a back-to-back accident.
Yeah, that was a 9 contract though.
I accidentally filled, and then I accidentally filled short as well.
Justin always has a million tabs. He's like my dad. Yeah, I know. I have a lot of tabs on my phone open that I don't use, but actually they just put an update out on Chrome where they like put them to sleep
Yeah.
if they're inactive, which is pretty cool.
Which is that's what they should do.
Yeah. It's crazy that it took 15 years for them to make that. But it's made now.
Actually, Nate, would you be when going shopping, would you want to go shopping at the Towson Mall? I'll drive. Cause I forgot my points might have came in. I'm gonna walk into the office.
Oh,
I'm
alright.
gonna get my points,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna. That's $800.
Yeah, that's solid.
That's $800. We can go shopping at Towson too. I just want to run in there and do that.
If you'll drive, I'm sure he doesn't care. I don't care. As
Yeah, I'll
long as I
drive.
have everything done up to that point.
Mm-hmm.
I want to edit before that and post. I actually want to schedule the post for 6.
Yeah.
Whenever it gets done, I don't really care. As long as it's before that.
I've been waiting for those points so long.
Yeah, it's been like a
Finally
month.
gave them to me. Yeah. Well, because
We
they
were
were
talking about it when we were initially setting up the set.
Yeah, because they were doing like they like were in between months because of the new year, so it took a little bit. Usually it's like right after you RDR the car, which is
Well, and now
get it
you
to
have
the
your
end
card
user.
and stuff, which matters.
Mm-hmm.
Like where you'll get your card, I assume.
Yeah.
Because didn't you say they give you a whole nother card?
They do. You can order it. The people there, they just say just put it in your bank account. So you just,
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna put it. I'm just gonna.
So
put it in
where
my
are
bank
they?
account.
What the? Where are they? In the fucking.
They're in like my Roundel account.
Okay. Is that like your? Is
It's
that kind
the-
of like deal?
Yeah, BMW Roundel. Yeah.
Okay. It's an interesting name.
You can buy like a MacBook like with just points. Like you don't need money. Like just points. Because Apple, because BMW sponsor with like a bunch of companies. So like if I just build up points in there, I can just use my points to order a MacBook.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Nate, you'll be home in 5 to 10 minutes or at 5:15? 5:15 works great. You don't mean 5 to 10. No, of course he doesn't mean 5 to 10 minutes.
He's doing a ratio.
Yeah. I'll be home like 5:15. Okay, yeah, that's cool.
I think it says 5:10.
5:10. I can't see with that stupid heart.
Yeah, I know. I don't know.
that is such a bad spot for it.
510.
It would make so much more sense if they had it over the profile picture.
Yeah.
Such a bad spot. I don't see how that was overlooked.
Yeah, we are back at this top.
Yeah.
I think slow burn for the rest of the day upwards.
Yeah, at this point, I mean, it's made a pretty strong move up here.
At like 5 to 15 years old, yeah. Yeah.
Cool. Cool with me. That's like perfect, actually.
Good day. I knew it was going to be a good day.
It was a good day.
We were being very conservative with we were just doing one contract size down today. It was the first day of the combine. We're sizing down.
Even the one contract was great.
Yeah.
I don't mind that.
Yours was clear cut. Mine
Yours was too.
Ours were both clear cut.
Yeah. Like that first trade we both made was.
I'm actually
Good.
really glad I reeled it back in after those mess ups.
Yeah.
I knew the direction of that trade. I just messed it up twice back to back. I messed up the field twice. Like I knew it was going to. I just. Oh, and then there's the light.
The camera's dead. Okay, maybe we.
The camera's still good. The light's dead.
Maybe we do end it.
I love it when the light dies. We're just like, okay. Yeah, we can go ahead and end it. Yeah, thank you for tuning in. Once again, if you take a look at our P&Ls, we had a good day today. I gave a little bit back because of those trade mishaps, but oh my god, bro, like if my P&L would have been like 600.
Yeah, it would have been
It would
crazy.
have been like 600-700.
Oh, it moved into
Because of the
extreme
trade
greed. It was at 74 when we started. Now it is at 78. Close yesterday was 69. So it was a good day for the market.
Yeah. All right, but yeah, we can go ahead and end it here. Nice oil news, bunch of news tomorrow. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, tomorrow we got a couple speakers, world speakers, not for the United States market.
Nothing crazy tomorrow.
We have
actually.
we actually at 1. We're not going to be streaming that, but at 1 we have a Baker Hughes oil. That's the people that mine oil for us, and then we have another Fed speaker at like 1:30, and then other than that, nothing much. And then the 26th, so next week, bill auctions. So today was a really nice news-filled day. To contrast the slow market.
Yeah.
But yeah. Tune in. When are we streaming tomorrow? Are we streaming tomorrow? I don't even know if we're streaming tomorrow.
Open.
It is gonna be market
Yeah.
open tomorrow. Okay, yeah, we'll be live market open tomorrow. So we'll be able to get some more trades in tomorrow.
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll be live at 9
We'll be live at 9
to 11. 9:15 to
Yeah.
11:15, somewhere around there.
And we might
The
even
same
have
time.
Rumble set up, so we'll see how that plays
Yeah,
out.
the kick isn't doing super well.
Yeah,
So
I don't even really like Kick that much anyways. But yeah, we'll talk to you guys soon. Happy trading.
have a fantastic Thursday. Have a tubular Thursday.
A tubular Thursday. That's a good one.
See ya. Thanks for tuning in.